Hey Fred, what you doing up there?
There's a hole in the roof. Who made this hole?
Hi, Mom. Hi. Are you gonna come up here? Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
See, right? See these stupid pot lights?
Yeah.
The problem with these pot lights is they're not sealed and they let heat up into the attic and I'm getting condensation. So I'm removing the pot lights and putting LED lights in. Some wires? Wires. Let's do it, Fred. Put the insulation back. So it quits getting damp up here.
Gotta replace all these. He's got these ones done. Here. He's doing these ones. What's he doing?
Get electrocuted? Look at all these dangerous wires here. It's a good thing somebody knows what they're doing, huh?
Yeah. Is this the light you're putting in?
Huh?
It's your light.
Have to rebury the lights.
How do you know which wire goes where?
Black to black, white to white. Nope, they're ground to ground. Our electrical system is probably the easiest to do. Not until you get to three-phase, it can get a little confusing. I don't do three-phase. Highest I go is split-phase, 220. Three-phase is too much for my knowledge. But this is child's play.
And why do you have so many battle wounds, boss? Skin cancer.
Too much fishing when the sun's going down. And farming.
And farming.
I thought you'd blame farming first, not fishing.
You gotta remember, we came up from Milwaukee when I was only 4 and we started farming. Farming.
Does this boy do a good work? Does he behave himself?
Well, a lot of cussing going on.
A lot of cussing.
When I was up
Are
there.
you cussing? You cussing in front of Ma?
Between here and the upper ceiling, you got maybe about 1.5 foot to squeeze into. My whole body can't squeeze into them kind of positions anymore.
I don't have his belly either.
What belly?
Belly makes.
Suck that belly in.
That's what holds my tool belt up.
No.
That's
Yeah,
pretty
see?
important.
Probably lots of room. Be lots of room for me. See? What's the difference? What's the difference between width?
I gotta hurry up and get this done. I gotta do Ivy's